In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to share a remix link in Framer. To get started, first you need to have your project open in Framer. This is your building block and what you will be sharing through the remix link. Make sure your project is ready for sharing, meaning that all elements are in place, all adjustments have been made, and you are satisfied with your final product. Next, navigate to the top left corner of the project. Here, you will find the File menu. Click on this button. This is the hub where you manage all your project-related tasks, such as saving, renaming, and in this case, sharing your project. Upon clicking the File menu, you will see a drop-down menu. This menu is composed of various actions that you can take. For our needs, look specifically for an option that says Copy Remix Link. Select this option. This will allow you to create a unique link that others can use to view. And if permission is granted, edit or remix your project. This is a great tool if you wish to collaborate with others, or if you want to share your work for feedback or demonstration. Having selected the Copy Remix Link option, Framer will automatically copy the remix link for you. Now, all that's left is for you to share this link. You can do this by pasting the link wherever it's needed. You could share it through an email or on a website. Basically, anywhere that you can paste text, you can share your Framer project. Now, you might be wondering what a remix link is exactly. Well, it's a very useful feature that allows others to view and edit your Framer project. Instead of trying to describe your work over the phone or through text, which can often lose the details and nuances, you can simply share a remix link. This way, others can see your project firsthand and even make changes to it if you allow them to. In other words, a remix link can serve as a digital canvas for collaboration and sharing of ideas. And there you have it. Now you know how to share a remix link in Framer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to keep exploring all that Framer has to offer for your future projects.